Hey everybody, welcome back to Land Yacht Garage. So in today's video, this is actually going to be like a bonus video, because I'm like 3 weeks ahead in videos, so you guys haven't even seen this in a video. You guys don't even know about the interior being almost done in that. But a little recap, this is my 89 Bronco that I traded the Cadillac for. It was on stock, so I just got some 33s on it yesterday, and right now I'm going to take it and gotta go down there and pick up my engine hoist. In this video, I'm going to be cleaning up the yard because I'm like 3 weeks behind and I need to get the yard cleaned up. So this is just going to be a bonus video. You guys just saw the GMT 800 conversion, and this is actually going to be posted Sunday. I still have 2 more videos coming up. So this is just going to be a bonus video, not the regular video, but a bonus one. So let me go ahead and get this Bronco back down there so I can go ahead and grab my engine hoist, because I just sold that 7.3 Power Stroke out of the white truck. So right now I am fighting major steering column issues. I'm actually going to buy a steering column today. So it's just giving me all sorts of issues. I'm just going to swap it out. I ain't dealing with it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing back down and load up the engine hoist. Well, that was a waste of time because the Bronco is way too high to get that engine hoist in. So, I do have my chains and straps and stuff. So, I'm going to go up there and probably fill the back of the Bronco with some stuff. Okay, so I'm pretty much going to just get these wheels loaded up, all of those doors, because, hint, hint, my truck's power windows now. I can't remember which video that was in. Got to get these seats loaded up. I'm not really sure though. I would really like to get rear seats in the Bronco. So got to get those loaded up. Selling this headache rack, so that can go. I think I might bring this hood. They're all going back down there. Might bring this hood because I'm pretty sure I'm going to use that hood if I don't go cowl. Yeah, the other seat, I just got some scrap metal over here. I gotta get this whole fucking thing cleaned up because it is a mess. So, yeah, I'm gonna just start loading stuff in. Oh, and not to mention, I gotta get this whole mess cleaned up so that my truck can come back inside. Because, well, after it rained, let's just say I, definitely missed some spots on the frame. Hey, the Bronco's almost sitting level. I'm pretty much loaded. Pretty much. I might try to sit the other bucket seat in, I'm not sure. So, let me go ahead and bring this thing down to the dumping location. And I am to the dumping location. I thought I paused the video for that. That steering column definitely getting replaced today. So down here, I have a bunch of stuff. Those are all 5x5.5 bolt pattern wheels. Set of Ranger wheels, an old set of garden tractor wheels, just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Definitely did not have a bunch of it fall out on the way to here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this unloaded. Well, we won't be going down there again. So, it doesn't look very bad on camera. But this hill is like this. And every time I take a vehicle down here, it gets stuck right here. Even that on 33s. And then occasionally slides into tree. Well, that's what happened here. Took a little chunk out of the tree. I got stuck. I barely slid into the tree. I backed up down to there, and I put the skinny pedal to the floor. And well, it got out. Bronco has a new dent. Those door dents are already there. I'm just gonna pop them out really quick. This one I might be able to pop out a little bit, but it is creased pretty bad right there. So yeah, I guess won't be going down there again with this. I was hoping, since this is big and lifted and has a Posi 9-inch, but apparently the front end's not locked because it's the first time I use four-wheel drive and it's not locked. So I guess I will continue. I guess I'll load up scrap metal, I guess. Okay, so just cleaned up that little pile. Gotta get rid of this hood. I'm just gonna scrap the hood. I ain't worried about it. I have that one, which is mint pretty much. So I'm gonna try to, just organize everything back further so it's not all disorganized and stuff. And then those interior parts need to go back down there. The plow frame and the bumper needs to go in the back of the Bronco for scrap. And let me tell you, this motherfucker is heavy. So is the bumper. Compared to like an OBS or bullnose bumper, that is heavy. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep working here and keep you guys stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm kind of just working on picking this up a little bit. I was just trying to get it all compacted into a little area. Next, I guess I gotta get my snowmobile running and pull it back over there, because the guy that got the Cadillac that I traded the Bronco for was supposed to take it, but then the trade deal changed a little bit, so it's mine again. So still trying to sell it, so anybody in the New Hampshire area interested, let me know. I am literally selling it for dirt cheap as a running and riding sled. So yeah, there we go, back where it needs to be. Next order of business is getting this damn steering column changed out. I just went to my buddy's house and bought one from him. It's over here. It's a little floppy, but it doesn't lock up like mine does. Yeah, see. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna get them swapped out. Well, I think I found out where it's locking up. That shiny metal. So I could probably fix that, but I'm not. I'm just gonna swap out the column. Okay, old steering column's out. So pretty much it's just your turn signal, your ignition and all that stuff, and then these bolts on the firewall, and then the bolts that bolt in the column, and there we go. So I think I found the problem. It just grenaded, like completely grenaded itself. So I'm gonna go grab the new used one. I got to get this bushing out of this one somehow. I don't know how, in case I decide to hook up the column again. I'm not sure. I'm reaching down through the hole right now to shift it. I'm not sure if I might do a B&M style shifter. I'm not really sure as of right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the new one bolted in. This will be done. Okay guys, so that was a major pain in the ass. Something happened. One of the prongs on the thing messed up. So I just have it hot wired now. You just gotta slide it over. And then I went to take it for a test drive. Did some donuts. drifted it, burnouts, you know, all the stuff. And, well, first, goddamn battery cable fell off again. Two, you know, everything's covered in antifreeze. I had my electric fan on that's wired to a toggle. The brake pedal is now a lot closer, so I gotta fix that next. And the fan's just wired up to a toggle. Well, stopped working. And I sent this motor into a nuclear meltdown. And I went to shut it off up here because I didn't know it was overheating. And it just started spraying coolant all at me. You can see it all through the floor and stuff. And yeah, it blew from the cap, nipple on the radiator all the way back. So I'm gonna put some coolant back in it, figure out the situation with the cab, because actually the body's ripping right here, so that ain't good. Okay guys, so I'm out here the next day to try to get the shop cleaned up. So today's Saturday and I want this video out tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning up this whole mess. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And guess what? It's the next day again, and it's still nothing's still cleaned up. So I just want to talk to you guys, real quick. Shitty rainy day today. I wanted this video out today, which is Sunday the 4th. Yeah, Sunday the 4th of August. But it's looking like it'll be out tomorrow, which is Monday. Obviously, you guys are probably watching this. There actually might be, don't quote me, but in the next, I'd say around winter time, I'm not sure, it depends how the restoration on my truck goes, there might be content on the Bronco. I've kind of liked it a little bit better than I thought I would, and I think I'm going to restore it, and that is going to involve a full rotisserie restoration. I'm going to have to go buy a car rotisserie and pull the body, put it on a rotisserie and everything, because I actually was just looking at an LMC truck, and I didn't think that there was that much aftermarket support for those Broncos. I know that you can buy a whole new tub for, what was it, the 67 to 72, whatever the first generation was. Obviously, they sell whole tubs and stuff for that. But I can buy a tailgate, which it needs. I can obviously buy cab mounts, floor pans, outer floor pan, and rockers, because that's the same as the F-150s and pickup trucks. You can buy complete quarters for like less than $200 a side. You can buy a rear bumper, obviously a front bumper, that's the same as the pickup. And you can buy a complete carpet kit, seal kit, everything. And so that's the route that I think I'm going to go on it. I'm not sure. So you guys will have to stay tuned for that. And obviously there's a lot of rust repair to do, but it's nothing that they don't sell aftermarket stuff to. So yeah, I'm not sure. I'll be taking the lift kit off. I know I wanted a mud truck, but I think it'd be cool to see that truck back in its prime again. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of this cleaned up behind me, and I will see you guys then for an outro. Okay guys, the shop is cleaned up finally. This has been like a 5-day project. Just been busy with other stuff and, you know, life. So, yeah, still gotta locate some tools. I know I'm missing some, so I gotta go find them. Stay tuned for next video where we will be putting sound dampening in the 96 F350, which this video is going to be Monday. I got to edit it and upload it tonight to YouTube so that it can be published in the morning. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like one of these videos, kind of just me showing you guys what I do. I don't know. Obviously there'll be a regular video Thursdays. So yeah, just let me know if you guys would prefer to see more videos like this as like a kind of bonus video. And yeah, so stay tuned for the next video where we'll be doing sound dampening, and then the video after that is where we'll be tearing into this motor and getting you a real detailed look around the Bronco. And then I'm not sure what the next video I film is going to be. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I will see you guys in the next one.